factor is always working. So it has got no direct correlation with improving osteoarthritis. But yes, once you have developed osteoarthritis, if you want to keep your bone mineral density high, then you can only use.
Would you recommend prophylactic vitamin D and vitamin C?
Prophylactic is perhaps not the right way to go. Patients who are coming with early signs, young people who are coming with early signs of knee pain with some difficulty, I guess it is high time that we start giving them routinely. But everybody taking, because everybody will not develop osteoarthritis. It has got, a spectrum is huge. I have seen elderly ladies who have been working and literally grinding from an early age, no evidence of osteoarthritis. They have been squatting, they have been doing all sorts of things in villages, no evidence of osteoarthritis. So this is a riddle. Why it happens like this? On the other hand, urban people who have avoided doing all these things have developed severe osteoarthritis. So this is a riddle which is yet to be solved. So giving prophylactic vitamin C and vitamin D to all in general is perhaps not the right thing.
অনেকের তো হয় রেডিওলজিক্যালি গ্রেড 0 কিন্তু সিম্পটম আছে
Very true. That is a very important thing. But I guess you should start that the inflammation has already started. As I told you, pain doesn't happen just by itself. There has to be some reason of the pain. So maybe it is a slow growing synovitis which has started, which will ultimately perhaps lead to osteoarthritis. But you have to take precautions.
Should we start hyaluronic injection from baby?
No, sir. No, sir. As I told you about the pyramid, you are doing one important thing which I did not discuss in this was the importance of doing your exercises properly. I have talked about weight loss. I have talked about prophylactic vitamin, not prophylactic vitamin C, vitamin D. Another important thing is the exercise. The knee joint is highly dependent on your quadriceps muscles. The anterior muscle of the knee, which is a group of 4 muscles, as we all know. These muscles are extremely important in keeping the knee healthy. So you must do your quadriceps prophylactically. That much I can suggest. Once you have used all NSAIDs, you have used exercises, assistive devices, occupational advisors, everything, when the patient comes back to you, then instead of waiting and keeping the patient on and on over-the-counter NSAIDs, I think it is much better if you inject the knee. If the radiographic evidence is around 2 plus, inject the knee immediately. He might need a TKR much later on in life. If he had not been injected, he might be needing it in another 5-10 years. That is the difference it makes.
I had a question was TKR life multiple times করে
This is the hot topic. US now 40s people are doing TKR because nobody wants a stunted life, a life which is full of restrictions. They are not wanting it. Doctor, do the replacement, please. So a patient who has undergone a TKR at 40, when he is very much active, when he is very, very occupationally busy, he needs to load the knee. That TKR will not last more than 10 to 12 years. By 50, 52, his TKR will give way. At 52, latest 55, you will need to do a revision surgery. But once you do a TKR after 55, generally, patients have become a little more quiet. The youth has gone out of their life, their activities have reduced, and so they are loading their knee much less than a person who is in the 48 bracket. So if you do a TKR at 55 and 60, then that TKR is going to last you for 20 years with certain precautions. And then after 20 years, when you are already 70, I guess your activity, especially we Indians, I can imagine myself at 70, I will not need another revision surgery. So an early TKR will be...
Particularly in railways, it is...
Yes, please. Oh, but topical application gives a sort of a counter irritant, nothing else. it has some deep penetration is there, synovitis, it acts as a counter return, nothing else. It does not help in any way. It gives them transient some sort of thing.
Once osteoarthritis is established, better not to
এত পড়াশোনা তাহলে
No, you did not get
if it is not associated with osteoporosis. Once osteoarthritis is established,
Mhm.
why is not
No. I'll repeat it again. The relationship, as I told to you, is a very complex relationship. It has been found that people with high BMDs, people who are on calcium or whatever, people take calcium nowadays quite a lot, and have a relatively high BMD. Incidentally, it has been found that people who have more than normal BMDs are predisposed to develop osteoarthritis. Once you develop osteoarthritis, then you have to keep your BMD high to counteract the process of the disease. So it is more as a protection. It does not allow the disease to move faster. So that is the relationship. But I guess more studies will be done with this. More studies will be done.
In reality, the medical treatment can help.
Technology is not pinpointed.
No. As I told you, it's $1 million question.
Yes.
Whole US only knee osteoarthritis because it is an epidemic there. So what is causing? Why certainly cytokines are stimulated? Young people, why they are developing? Young people, why they are not developing? It's a huge study which is going
Repeated
on.
traumas can cause it.
Yes, please.
Repeated traumas.
Oh yes, repeated trauma does. Yes, it does.
This
Sir,
medical,
डराओ नहीं मैं।
আমার কি ডানাটা এখন ব্যথা করছে, হ্যাঁ, ওটা কি osteoarthritis হতে পারে ভবিষ্যতে? Future? যার কোনো ব্যথা আছে?
Now listen. We opened up your knee joint. We have fiddled with your cartilage. So keep your fingers crossed.
your answer should be meet me in my chamber.
आपका क्वेश्चन
What about prolonged standing? Once you develop
यस
knee pain or whatever. So you have
Once you have developed knee pain, any activity which you feel is causing pain is a big no. Once you are having some sort of discomfort in the knee after prolonged standing, means you are doing a lot of disservice to your knee. So any activities once you have established osteoarthritis which is causing pain in the knee is a big no for you because you are only making things worse. So by taking measures, I mean that you have to be aware of your knee. You have to be aware that there is a problem in the knee. Majority of us are in a denial mode. But every one of us, if we do a baseline X-ray, we will find that we all have some degree of changes. Now, once it becomes symptomatic, and you are doing an activity which is aggravating the symptoms, then obviously you are doing a disservice to them.
Okay, so this was an orthopedic surgeon, but as a railway orthopedic surgeon, you have a person coming to you with early changes of osteoarthritis. Maybe he's in the RPF, maybe he's a surgeon and wants decategorization. How do you respond to that? You have said it's a big no. So RPF, surgeon, whatever. What do you do to it?
wonderful question.
Give him a bagload of,
What is the category?
bagload of insights and send him home and ask him to do his job. Give him a bagload of Boviran tablets and a Boviran gel. I think that should be good.
हो जाए
নিজেরাই নিয়ে নেয়।
Colaflex and Condoflex are between 60 rupees per sachet. Every day once.
I will do
It has to be done.
Hold on.
If you are getting relief, I guess it is an everyday medicine for you.
sedentary job.
is all medical management, whether it can retard or it can change back to
No. Once
It is
that
only
part of
symptomatic.
it, once the cartilage has been established to be deformed or destroyed, there is nothing that you can do that can give you back your original cartilage. Except for this particular collagen peptide which I talked about, which has shown very early evidence that there is some sort of regeneration. It has been proved now. These are all pharma mediated inputs that we have. lot of studies are coming in which is showing that an arthroscopy before taking collagen peptide and arthroscopy after taking collagen peptide for maybe 3 months, 6 months have shown that areas which were, cartilage was, loss was there, then some evidence of fine cartilage formation. These are evidences which are coming in. So I guess this needs to be further studied. So that is the only molecule which has shown some amount of change in cartilage. Otherwise, nothing works. Chondroitin, glucosamine, diacerin, these are all placebos. So, not required. Not required.
How many of your patients are now at Colaflex at Garden Ridge?
No, we are not.
PSC होगा उसके बाद.
But one person is taking regularly.
Robi Mahapal.
Robi is taking, no? Robi is getting some help from Colaflex.
Any role of intra-articular steroid?
Previously, we used to give a lot of intra-articular steroids, but it has been found that if you give intra-articular steroids, it doesn't alter the basic pathology of knee osteoarthritis. It completely reduces the pain,
Inflammation.
and the person does things which normally he should avoid, because he believes that temporarily for the next 3-4 months my knee is fine. I don't have osteoarthritis, and he does things which are best avoided. So I guess this has a counter effect, this use of steroid. Number one. Number two, steroids have been found to cause a lot of local, osteoporosis, because it is a long-acting steroid. There is a strong osteoporotic effect on the adjacent bones, and this only aggravates the process of osteoarthritis. So now, steroid injection inside the knee is banned in other countries. We give patients who are in extremely painful condition, we are using intra-articular steroids, but in a very limited way. Mainly we are using Synvist now. Yes.
Some say that prolonged use of treadmills is damaging to the knees. Is it
Prolonged use of?
treadmill?
Treadmill exercise.
Yes, I have talked about this. Gym activities like treadmill, I have gone into details with this. It has been found to be not good for the knee at all. So, moderate, if you want to do exercises, moderate running, slow speed running, regular running with good footwear is the way out after 40. Treadmill to reduce weight daily on a machine, you are doing a disservice to the knee. If you are having knee problem, then don't do it. But if you don't have a knee problem, please go ahead and do it. Then you might be one of those very few who is not going to develop osteoarthritis. Yes.
Dance?
Dance is an activity which causes a lot of problem in the knee. Lot of problem.
Any form of dance?
Because you are basically loading the knee. You are basically loading and pounding the knee. So you are, especially after a certain age, dance is.
स्टेशन में पहुंचे गए
Station post করে গেছে।
क्या